Welcome back to Clark's Culinary. Today we're making baba ganoush. For this recipe, you'll need 2 eggplants. Cut them in half. Place them on a baking pan and brush avocado oil on the skin side. This will help keep the skin of the eggplant from collapsing during the roasting process. Flip the eggplant over and season with salt, fresh cracked black pepper, and smoked paprika. Brush avocado oil over the seasonings. Place the eggplants in the oven that's been preheated to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. While the eggplants roast in the oven, we will prepare the other ingredients. We need the juice of 1 lemon, and we're going to need some garlic chopped. You can use up to 8 cloves of garlic. Please adjust to suit your taste. Half of a serrano pepper, chopped. And mince some parsley for garnish. After 35 minutes, remove the eggplant from the oven. It should look nice and roasted. Let them get cool enough for you to handle. Remove the flesh from the inside of the eggplant and put it into your food processor or blender. Add in the garlic and serrano pepper. Lemon juice. 3 tablespoons of tahini. And blend. After a few seconds, go in and wipe the walls of the food processor down with a spatula. Give the baba ganoush a taste and add salt if needed. I'm adding an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Blend one final time. Pour the baba ganoush in your serving dish and put it in the refrigerator to chill. Before serving, pour on some extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle on parsley and some red pepper flakes. And after that, you can enjoy your baba ganoush with some warm pita bread or some raw vegetables. Thank you for watching Clark's Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.